Seniors, forget protein powder. These whole foods stop muscle loss faster, safer, and more effectively. And they've been doing it for thousands of years. The truth is, seniors don't need expensive tubs of lab-made powder to stay strong. In fact, one of these foods starts reversing muscle breakdown in as little as 30 minutes. And it costs less than $2. Today, we're cutting through the supplement industry's marketing lies and revealing the natural muscle-saving solutions that actually work for people over 60. These are affordable, delicious, and backed by science, not hype. Welcome to Senior Vital Health, where we bring you practical, science-based nutrition tips for healthier aging. Thousands of older adults across the U.S. and the world have already ditched powders and pills for real food. And after today's video, you might join them too. Now, let me be clear. The billion-dollar protein powder industry has spent years convincing you that your only shot at strength is their special blends. You've seen the ads, smiling seniors sipping shakes, promising vitality and youth. But what they don't tell you is this. Many powders are highly processed, stripped of natural co-nutrients, and loaded with synthetic additives your body struggles to digest. As we age, our muscles don't just need protein. They need a full orchestra of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes to function properly. And that's exactly what these 8 foods provide in perfect harmony. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final food might be the most powerful muscle-saving food you've never heard of, especially if you're over 60. How old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Share it with us in the comments. We read everyone. Now let's get into the countdown. Starting with food number 8, ricotta cheese. The creamy, muscle-saving secret weapon. Cottage cheese and Greek yogurt get all the attention, but ricotta cheese may be the most effective for stopping muscle loss, especially for seniors. It's soft, affordable, and powerful, working faster than powders or shakes. What makes ricotta special is its high concentration of natural whey protein, the highest of any whole food. Unlike processed powders, ricotta's whey remains in its natural bioavailable state, surrounded by fats, enzymes, and minerals your body uses to build muscle. The moment you eat it, it sends a signal. Stop muscle breakdown. Start repair. Even more impressive, ricotta is rich in leucine, nearly 3 g per cup. Leucine activates muscle protein synthesis, crucial for seniors whose bodies respond more slowly to protein. It's like flipping a biological switch from breakdown to rebuilding. Ricotta also contains albumin, a highly efficient muscle-building protein found in egg whites, but easier to digest. Plus, its calcium lactate is quickly absorbed, supporting muscle contractions and bone health, something no calcium supplement can match. For older adults with chewing or swallowing challenges, ricotta is ideal. Smooth, easy to digest, and gentle on the stomach. It doesn't cause bloating like many powders, and it's incredibly versatile. Mix with berries and cinnamon for breakfast. Spread it on toast or stir into soups. Simple, delicious, and potent. Number 7. Watermelon. The juicy fruit that supercharges muscle recovery. Watermelon is one of the most powerful muscle-protecting foods for seniors. And it's not just because it's hydrating. The secret lies in L-citrulline. Watermelon contains the highest natural amount of L-citrulline. Your body converts it into L-arginine, which boosts nitric oxide. This widens blood vessels, improving circulation, oxygen delivery, and nutrient flow to muscles, all of which slow down with age. Better blood flow means faster muscle repair, less soreness, and improved recovery. Studies show watermelon can cut muscle soreness by 40% and nearly double recovery speed, just from a few slices. It's also packed with potassium, which helps prevent cramps and weakness. One wedge has more potassium than a banana, with no starch. Watermelon also contains lycopene, more concentrated than in tomatoes, protecting muscles from oxidative stress and age-related breakdown. Even the natural sugar in watermelon helps restore glycogen after activity, making it the perfect post-activity snack. For best results, eat it 1 hour before or after activity. Bonus tip: juice the white rind. It's even higher in citrulline. Number 6. Canned salmon. The muscle meal hiding in your pantry. Think protein powder is convenient? Canned salmon might be even better. Packed with 25 g of high-quality protein. Plus, nutrients powders don't offer. Omega-3s, vitamin D, and soft edible bones. Omega-3s increase muscles' sensitivity to protein, helping you build and maintain muscle with less effort. Seniors who eat fatty fish stay stronger and recover faster. Next is vitamin D3, critical for strength, energy, and fall prevention. One can provide up to 70% of your daily needs. Then there are the soft, edible bones, rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential for muscle contractions and bone strength, and completely safe to eat. Salmon also contains astaxanthin, a red pigment that protects muscles from damage and speeds up recovery. Best of all, no cooking, no cleanup. Just open and eat. Affordable, shelf-stable, and highly digestible. Number 5. Whole eggs. The original anabolic superfood. Eggs were wrongly blamed for cholesterol, but science has corrected that. For adults over 60, whole eggs are muscle-strengthening powerhouses. A University of Illinois study showed whole eggs boost muscle growth 40% more than egg whites alone, even with the same protein amount. The yolk's nutrients work synergistically, triggering faster muscle repair. Each egg delivers balanced protein plus supportive nutrients. Vitamin D for strength, choline for brain-to-muscle communication, vitamin A for recovery, and leucine clusters that spark rapid growth. Powders strip away most of these nutrients. Eggs give the full package. Cholesterol in eggs isn't harmful. It supports hormone production, including muscle-supporting hormones that decline with age. Tip: pair eggs with veggies. The yolk's healthy fats increase nutrient absorption 7-fold. Eggs are affordable, easy to cook, and gentle on digestion. Scrambled, boiled, or baked. Results without a blender. If you're enjoying this video, give it a like. And click Super Thanks if you'd like to support us. Number 4. Kefir. The nighttime muscle protector. Kefir fuels your muscles while you sleep. A fermented drink long used for strength in old age, packed with up to 60 strains of probiotics, strengthening the gut-muscle axis, reducing inflammation, and improving protein absorption. Kefir proteins are pre-digested, making them easier for aging systems. The magic is casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles for 7 hours, exactly when muscle breakdown is highest. Kefir also delivers vitamin K2 MK7, directing calcium to bones and muscles, plus bioactive peptides that improve immunity. Number 3. Black beans. The plant protein with a secret weapon. 1 cup gives 18 grams of high-quality plant protein, plus resistant starch. Resistant starch feeds good gut bacteria, creating butyrate, which protects muscle, lowers inflammation, and improves how your body uses protein. This creates the second meal effect. Your body absorbs protein better for hours afterward. Black beans also deliver folate, over 60% of your daily need, essential for muscle repair and regeneration. Add magnesium, 30% of daily needs, supporting muscle contractions, plus anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, protecting muscles from aging and stress. Unlike powders, Beans offer fiber. Fiber stabilizes blood sugar, supporting insulin, a muscle-building hormone. Powders often contain artificial sweeteners that do the opposite. Beans are easy to add, soups, salads, or mashed. Number 2. Beets. The natural blood flow booster for aging muscles. Beets contain dietary nitrates. Your body turns them into nitric oxide, widening blood vessels and improving circulation, meaning more oxygen and nutrients to muscles. Studies show beets boost muscle efficiency by up to 16%, making movement easier with less fatigue. Beets also fight inflammation via betalains, slowing age-related muscle loss. Their natural sugars release slowly due to high fiber, giving steady energy. Beets also help your body make creatine naturally, thanks to betaine, a nutrient that boosts strength. Enjoy beets roasted, blended, or in salads. Eat before or after activity for best results. Number 1. Sardines in olive oil. The tiny fish with big muscle power. Each can delivers 23 g of complete protein, with all essential amino acids. Rich in vitamin D3. Deficiency weakens muscles and increases fall risk. Sardines fix that fast. Packed with omega-3s EPA and DHA, reducing inflammation and boosting muscle protein sensitivity. The olive oil adds heart-healthy fats, helping absorb nutrients like vitamins A, D, and K. Sardines also provide CoQ10, essential for muscle energy production, plus edible bones rich in calcium and phosphorus, supporting muscles, nerves, and bones. Eat straight from the can, on toast, in salads, or over grains. Fast, affordable, and muscle-saving. Medical disclaimer time. This video is educational only, not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before changing your diet. Every person's needs are different. Let's recap. We uncovered 8 natural foods that outperform protein powders. Ricotta cheese for natural whey and leucine. Watermelon for nitric oxide and faster recovery. Canned salmon and whole eggs for protein and omega-3s. Kefir for nighttime muscle protection. Black beans for prebiotics and folate. Beets for blood flow and creatine production. Sardines and olive oil for vitamin D, CoQ10, and healthy fats. These foods work with your body, not against it. Real food doesn't just preserve muscle. It preserves your independence. Thank you for spending time with me today. Share this video with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay strong, eat well, and keep moving forward.